All right, let's talk about how you can increase an entire column by a percentage within Excel. So here we just have some random numbers and we want to multiply all these numbers by a percentage. So the first step is in some cell nearby. We've created this header multiplier. So we're going to put our percentage that we want to multiply all these numbers by in this cell here. And let's say we want to increase all of those numbers by 40%. So simply type 40% and make sure that this is formatted in a percentage. If you simply typed 40 or didn't put the percentage, you can go up here and select percentage under the home ribbon to create that format. Now we need to just create a simple formula in Excel. Select the cell where you want all of the new numbers to be. Type equals, take the old number, times, parenthesis, 1 plus the percentage. So select the cell where you added your multiplier and then end parenthesis. And what we're going to need to do is create an absolute reference for this cell. So simply select FN F4 or F4 on your keyboard. If that didn't work, simply put a $sign in front of the column and the row like this. Then we can go ahead and hit enter. Now we can drag this formula all the way down. If we select this cell and double click this square in the bottom right corner of the cell, that formula is going to copy all the way down, and you'll notice that it kept our multiplier all the way across. And there you have it. That's how you can multiply an entire column by a percentage in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.